Question 1 of What is the most notable functionality of natural language models like ChatGPT? Correct answer is its large-scale capability to generate human-like text. Question 2 of What is true about using text-to-image generation services? Correct answer is they are dependent on dataset quality. Question 3 of 10. Why might marketers use text-to-image models in the creative process? Correct answer is they can be more efficient to use and provide a unique look and feel. Question 4 of How can variation on autoencoders be used in anomaly detection? Correct answer is it can be trained on a dataset of normal data and later on be used to identify instances that deviate from the normal data. Question 5 of Considering the future implications of generative AI on the job market, what skill set is essential for individuals seeking to thrive in this evolving landscape? Correct answer is development of unique personal, emotional, interpersonal, and creative abilities. Question 6 of What are the two primary recommendations for an executive or leader to implement with AI? Correct answer is offer training for all employees and establish an AI ethics board. Question 7 of AI focuses on classifying or identifying content that is based on pre-existing data. Correct answer is discriminative. Question 8 of Do you need to have a technical AI background in order to start a generative AI venture? Correct answer is no. Question 9 of What tool is used for writing and running a model's code? Correct answer is a codex. Question 10. What should we think of the relationship between humans and generative AI? Correct answer is human input and creative will work in conjunction with AI to produce meaningful progress.